Chris Picciurro, MRR Institute. I hope you're having a great day. I want to talk about the importance of collecting information from a prospective client before you have an initial discovery meeting or even a phone call. The collection of information could be done in a variety of ways, but what's important is that you make that collection of information easy and very structured and also very focused. We use a landing page that we send prospective clients to that asks that prospective client 6 or 7 very direct questions that allows myself and our team to determine what the best course of action is for that prospective client and if they could be a good fit for our team. Now, you don't have to use a URL or landing page, but what I recommend is you have one process, one place where you obtain as much information as focused as possible about prospective clients and get them into your sales pipeline. Always let your best client pick your next client.